Hello my dear students, welcome back to online mathematics class. Last class we completed properties of whole numbers. Today in this properties conditions relation exercise we will do exercise 2.2. Everyone open your textbook and observe to a exercise 2.2. In this 2.2 first question, find the sum of suitable rearrangements. First question, find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Here one sum they gave 238 plus 695 plus 162. This is a sum. In this sum we want to do a rearrangement. Now see here, I took these two numbers 695 plus 162, I rearrangement. A plus B I change into a, B plus A. See here, A plus B I change into a, B plus A, B plus A. Changing, see here. This is a commutative property I applied and I solve it. See here, 162 plus 695. Again I applied to here associative property. Associative property means what? A plus bracket of B plus C equal to bracket of A plus B plus C. This is an associative property we applied when we are doing this suitable arrangement. The time this process of addition very easy. 238 plus 162, 400. 238 plus 162, 400 plus 695. Answer 1095. 1095. Generally, we are adding like this way means very difficult. When we are arranging a suitable way, using some properties and arrangements, addition very easy. Like this way, you will solve. Second question, you try to do it. And now we are going to in this Roman number 2, you do it. Again, second question, first one. This is also same, but with respect to addition we are doing in this sum. But here we are observing to a with respect to multiplication. With respect to multiplication. Multiplication same model. Here this A into B. These two numbers I arrange into a, B into A. B into A I arrange into a. This number we are keeping here. This number we are sending that side. Rearrangement. These two are rearrangement. This for 25, now again I applied with respect to multiplication associative property, bracket of A into B into first bracket property will be solving, bracket what numbers are there we will solve it, 25 into 4, 100, 100 into 196, 1963, multiplied means 1963 hundreds, very easy. When we are arrangement the number proper way, addition and multiplication very easy. This related remaining sums you try to do homework. Now we are going to a third question. Here they gave 205 into 1989. Two numbers they give. This you want to use some property. First what I done means, first I arranged in a property, commutative property applied. A into B I change into a B. A into B is there. This I change into a, B into A. This is a commutative property. First I applied one property. In this way 205, when you are saying 205, I change into a 200 plus 5. I change into a 205, 200 plus 5. When the arrangement, when the properties are using the multiplication, division, everything very easy. Multiplication, addition very easy. Here why I change like this way means I want to apply to a distributive property. Distributive property means what? A into bracket of B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. Any time like this way is there, you change into A into B plus A into C. Last class I explained clearly how it is possible, is equal or not, verification, everything I explained last class. Like this way, this will look like A into B plus C. A into B plus C. This which way I want to write? A into B plus A into C. See, A means 1989 into 200 plus 1989 into 5. When you are multiplying these two means 3,97,800. 3,97,800. When you multiply these two numbers means 9,945. When you add these two numbers, you got 4,07,745. 4,07,745 is the answer. In this way, second sum is there. You use it and observe same like this way. Any one number you split into A plus B. Any two numbers, any one number you took and split into A plus B method. You change like this way, that time very easy to solve the answer. Use the property and do the second sum. Now we are going to a fourth question. A milk vendor supplies 56 liters of milk. A milk vendor supplies 56 liters of milk in the morning and 44 liters of milk in the evening to a hostel. If the milk costs 50 rupees per liter, how much money he gets per day? How much money he gets per day? See here, one day total supplied milk, how much you'll see? Morning 56 liters, morning 56 liters he supplies, and evening he supplies 44. Total 56 plus 44, 100 liters of milk he supplies one day. See here, 1 liter milk cost is called 50 rupees. But one day how many liters he supplies? 100 liters. 100 liters cost how much? 100 into 50. The cost is 5,000 rupees. Therefore, he gets one day 5,000 rupees for this milk. This exercise completed. Now we are going to the next exercise. See the exercise 2.3. All of you open your textbook, observe the exercise 2.3. Study the pattern. They gave one pattern. See here, 1 into 8 plus 1 equal to 9. Yes, 1 8s are 8 plus 9 equal to 9. 12 into 1, here 1, 2. They gave here 1, 2 into 8 plus 2 equal to 98. Here 1, 2, 3 into 8 plus 3 equal to 987. Similarly, we are seeing 1, 2, 3, 4 into 8 plus 4 equal to 9876. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 8 plus 5 equal to 98765. What you observed in this pattern? What I observe here, 1 into 8 plus 1, here 9 only, 1 digit came. Here 1, 2, 2 digit came. Here 9, 8. Again 1, 2, 3. Here decrease. These values are increasing. And addition value also increasing. See which number is increasing, here addition also increasing. This number automatically decreasing. Observe it. Here 123 into 8 plus 3 equal to 987. When you are seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, again the 3 after 4 into 8 plus 4 equal to 9876. Here the numbers are decreasing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 8 plus 5 equal to 98765. The numbers are decreasing. In this numbers are increasing. In this pattern, already you observed, means you understood. Here the numbers are increasing. In the addition, numbers also increasing. But here the numbers are decreasing. When you observe this pattern, in this pattern, write next 4 steps. You observe this pattern properly and write to a next 4 steps. What is the next 4 steps? One time see all of you here already up to 5 they gave here. Up to 5 they gave. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 increasing into 8 plus 6. What happened? 987654. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 into 8 plus 7 equal to 9876543. Gradually the numbers are increased. Here 7, again we are going to a 8, again we are going to a 9. What will happen? The numbers are automatically decreasing. See here 9876543, 9876543, 987654321. Like this way will come. This is a pattern. When you observe the question properly, that time very easy to write to a patterns. Some example sums are there. Try to do it. Second question, multiplication sum they gave. Try to do it. This is a 2.3 exercise. This exercise also completed. And next you have unit exercise is there. This unit exercise, one time you observe it, all are related to the first 3 exercise base. Unit exercise is there. This unit exercise you try to complete. This chapter completed. We are going to the next class. We are going to the next chapter. Try to observe it. You have any doubt, I will clarify with a phone or anything. Try to call to me and I explain for you. Any doubt is there, just you observe it and complete this exercise 2.2, 2.3, you complete it. Stay home, stay safe, have a nice day.